Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karima and I created the Guilt-Free Mama brand to grant mamas like you and myself some grace. I spent most of 2018 feeling stressed, depressed, and most of all guilty about my mothering. This year I chose to stop the madness and grant myself some grace because at the end of the day, my kids are happy and healthy and that's all that matters. So what I want my channel and Instagram to be about, or rather, I want it to be a place of support, motivation, and encouragement for all women and men. Why not? Even if you're not a mom, this is a place where we can encourage each other as women. Navigating through motherhood is not easy. So I created this community so we could figure out this journey together because as exhausting as motherhood is, it is totally worth it. So please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Guilt-Free Mama, and introduce yourself in the comments. Let's actually get to know each other here. And stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here's some cleaning motivation for you. I'm about to run out of space on my memory card, so you have to forgive me. The video is gonna jump from me loading the dishwasher to me cleaning the microwave. Yeah. So pretty much I finished loading the dishwasher and started it. The memory card ran out of space and I didn't realize it until I was done. So, sorry guys. So I noticed a clip of me cleaning the stove is missing as well, but I just used Barkeeper's Friend to clean the top, and I'm using Wayman's stainless steel polish and cleaner to clean the stainless steel part. And forgive me here, the light is gonna start going off and on because my lovely 2-year-old was fascinated by my lighting kit. So you'll see the lights going off and on and me fussing at my husband to stop him as he sits right there and watches him cut the lights off and on. So forgive me. Am I the only one who watches cleaning videos while they clean? I cannot be the only person who does that. So I like to use lemon oil to condition my wooden cutting boards so that they last a long time. But apparently this Old English is parent proof because the struggle was real getting that cap off. So at this point, I realized anything that could go wrong was going to go wrong. You're gonna see in a minute that it pretty much switches to the next day in this video because my battery died. And apparently the camera still records when the battery is dying, but it is black. Blank footage, pitch black screen, just all the footage gone. So I had to show you guys the finished product. So I did that the next morning. I charged the battery and I showed you the clip of the kitchen nice and clean. Sorry for the missing footage, but this is the first video. I promise it'll get better.